Meteorologist Mary Kay Kleist is here with our first alert forecast. Mary Kay?
Let's take the rain out of our day, Jim and Dana. We see it here on the satellite radar picture. I've zoomed it out to tell you the rain is over. The clearing skies starting to move in now to the northwest suburbs for us. So we have a beautiful afternoon with that clearing taking place. Temperatures right now are holding in the middle 60s for the most part. Bolingbrook and Lisle, both places 64 degrees. We are at 68 in Lincoln Park and in the Loop. So right now we still have the cloud deck over the city, but it's on the way out. Notice the winds coming off the lake out of the northeast at 16 miles per hour. That would probably generate a little bit of cooling along the lakefront. So we're going to hold in the upper 60s lakeside, but start heading away from the lake. That's where we're going to find the middle 70s for daytime highs. And tomorrow, even warmer, soaring temperatures with a high of about 81 degrees. Cold front coming tomorrow night. So rain tomorrow night is a possibility. And then we have cool changes coming with two fronts, one for Sunday, one for Monday to take temperatures back into the 60s. Drying out at Daly Plaza. Once the clouds break, we will have full sunshine around with those northeasterly winds keeping the shorefront areas cooler. So if you're up in Highland Park, 68, Northbrook, 68, I think Skokie and Palatine will hold at 70. We'll see about 73 in Naperville today. A little bit of cooling there for you in Whiting and a high temperature of 69 degrees. So today we are losing that cloud cover, which is great. Tomorrow, 81. Let's time out these fronts for the weekend. So tonight, if you're going out tonight, it looks great. High pressure will dominate our weather picture. That drifts over Michigan tomorrow and sets up that mild return flow out of the south-southeast. That's why Saturday will be in the 80s. Then we start watching our next cold front coming in. There's actually a pair of cold fronts. New model data is showing that here's Sunday morning at 7 a.m. We will be dry. If we get any rain along this frontal passage, it's going to happen overnight between midnight and daybreak. Overnight Saturday into Sunday. I don't think rain is going to be the big deal. The big deal will be this reinforcing shot of cool air, and Monday that cool core, the core part of that air mass is going to settle overhead for us. So everybody's going to be talking about the cool changes. Hey, are you headed to Soldier Field? Kickoff temperature 71 degrees. So nice for an October game. Full sun, but gusty winds. They will be sustained out of the northwest at 15 to 25, but could gust 30 to 35 miles per hour. So noticeably cooler for the second half of the weekend. That second front comes through for Monday, goes to 68 degrees. Then we're going to be holding in the 70s for much of next week after that. But a good looking weekend once we clear this sky today.
Sure it is. Thank you, Mary Kay.